My love has come gone. My lonely days are over. And life is like a song. At last, I'm back. A stylish welcome to you guys. I'm back with another video. It's been a while. Still quarantining. But because lockdown is about to come off, I'm gonna show you some cool looks. That's right, I'm back again with a lookbook. You guys aren't ready for this one. This is gonna be like a casual t-shirt lookbook. Once again, a stylish welcome to you guys. Welcome to my channel. Make sure to like, comment, and to subscribe, and to hit that thumbs up. And yeah, let's get to it. Let's get to the video. Bye.
Wait.
Renegade.
Go. Got one. Go. Oh, go. Yeah. Go. Let's go. 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 Let's go. Cash on me like I hit the lottery. Wait.
Renegade.
Go. Got one. Go. Oh, go. Yeah. Go. Let's go. Go. Let's go. Cash on me like I hit the lottery.
Silent, be quiet, nigga. Hush, hold on. It go pew when I shoot, it's on mute. That bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on mute. That bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on mute. Copycat, nigga, tryna copy what I do. Damn, that bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on mute. That bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on mute. That bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on mute. Copycat, nigga, monkey see what monkey do. That bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on mute. That bitch go pew when I shoot. It's on mute. Copycat nigga tryna copy what I do, bitch. That bitch go pew.
I'm that bitch. Yeah. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Yeah. I'm the hood Mona Lisa. Break a nigga into pieces. Had to X some cheesy niggas out my circle like a pizza. Yeah. I'm way too exclusive. I don't shop on Insta boutiques. All them little ass clothes only fit fake booties. Bad bitch, still talking cash shit. Pussy like water, I'm unbothered and relaxing. I would never trip on a nigga if I had him. Bitch, that's my trash, you the maid, so you bagged him. I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Hacking, stupid, what's happening, bitch, what's happening, bitch, I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, hacking, stupid, what's happening, bitch, what's happening.
I was just thinking about you. Pop a Percocet, get higher than a kite. Fuck you, bitch, get her ass out of sight. Came from the kitchen, but I'm living nice. Came for the riches, I got time to fight. Came for your hoe, she won't spend the night. I ain't come alone, fire on my side. No on my own, I'm not a knight. Nigga too sharp, nigga need a knife. Drinking out of juice, I don't need a Sprite. Fuck them by the two, they both tryna ride. Then I ditch them both, I ain't even right. Hot top Chanel, bitch, we drippin' right. Young white cell, bitch, we living life. Snake. 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 I'm gon' ride it.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told Pooh he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the Ville and I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the West Coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch and she look like she go. She do. Hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego. She heard of my deep goddamn. Spending money at the club like Sam's.
I know we're fucked up, I'm just a loser. Shouldn't be with ya,
Ayy, bitch, I'm a problem, nobody solving. You can keep hating, I'm popping regardless. He wanna build it like Megan and Stallion. Don't want your nigga cause I want his daddy. I like to switch up my style every week. I gotta switch up my hair every day. I ain't no hoe, but I do be on going. I promise my niggas gon' love me the same. I'm a hot girl, don't try it at home. I wear the shit that be showing my thong. I like to drink and I like to have sex. I fuck the niggas that's cutting the checks. Dance on a dick, now you been served. I like a dick with a little bit of curve. Hit this pussy with an uppercut. Call that nigga Captain Hook. Ayy, I go shopping, want it, then I cop it. Ayy, yeah, bitches popping, I do what they copy. Ayy, look, he's a sweetie, kiss it when he eat it. Ayy, yeah, know it's good when you chewing, ayy, singing. I love niggas with conversation that find a clip with no navigation. Mandatory that I get the head, but no guarantees on a penetration.